So now let us discuss about circular permutations. So find the permutations of 6 people sitting around on a circular table if A, no restrictions, and B, 2 cannot sit next to each other. So if there is no restriction, we will use the formula for circular permutation, which is P is equal to n minus 1 factorial. So the value of n, or the number of object, is 6. So therefore we have P equals 6 minus 1 factorial. And that is equal to 5 factorial, which is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 120 ways. So therefore, there are 120 possible permutations for 6 people sitting around the circular table. Now, let us answer the second question. What is the permutation of 6 people around a circular table if 2 cannot sit next to each other? So, we have to use the formula P equals n minus 1 factorial minus n minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. Why? This is because we have to find first all the possible arrangement on which the 6 people can sit in a table. And then we have to subtract the number of ways on which the 4, or we have to remove the 2 people who cannot sit next to each other. So the number of possible ways that 4 people can be arranged in a circular table times 2 factorial. This pertains to the number of ways that the 2 persons who cannot sit next to each other can move from any of the seats without sitting next to each other. So using our formula, we have n minus 1, so that is 6 minus 1 factorial minus 6 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So 6 minus 1 factorial is 5 factorial, or 120 ways. Then we have 6 minus 4 factorial times 2 factorial, which is equal to 2. Then we have to simplify. 120 minus 48 is equal to 72 ways. So I hope you learn a lot, and don't forget to follow for more.